Hello, everybody. Today we'll be discussing a case of a hysteroscopy of the uterus. Now, as you can see, we've entered the uterine cavity. We use a very small 5 scope. Now, the fundus in this case appears to be normal. This is a routine hysteroscopy that we're showing. Now, we gradually move the lens to examine all parts of the uterine cavity. Here, you can see the left ostia, which appears to be normal. And as you can see with the flow, the ostia appears to dilate, which usually indicates that the ostia is open. We then proceed to sequentially examine all of the uterine cavity, that is the fundus, the anterior and the posterior wall, and take a panoramic view of the uterine cavity. We then proceed towards the other end of the uterus and to look at the right side of the uterus. This also appears to be okay. Now, our hysteroscopy we usually routinely perform for patients with heavy menstrual bleeding, or if they have any bad obstetric history like recurrent abortions, or if there is any growth like polyps or fibroids. In those cases, we generally perform a hysteroscopy to see the uterine cavity and to correct any malformation. So this you can see is the end-on view of the uterine cavity. So that looks normal. Thank you.